People are gonna be like, who the hell is this guy? That doesn't look like Ed.
Some dude.
Hey, welcome. Today we're going to be installing some BC coilovers into Dan's Focus ST. He's done this 1,000 times, right?
No, I've never done it once.
So he's going to figure it out. I'm going to be here for some moral support and
backup.
Backup. Yeah. I don't think he needs backup.
We'll see. I mean, it's my first time, so should be fun. You got your fronts. Ride height, it's got damping adjustment on the top, damping rebound. And then you got your rears. Springs are in the kit. Hard and soft. And yeah, we'll just go from there. All right, so to get under the cowl, or just to make it a little easier, we're gonna put the wipers in service mode. So the way you do that is you just turn it on, and then when you turn it off, just hold the wiper stock down, and it moves them up.
So we're starting with the front passenger wheel. Jacking up a car on dirt sucks, but he's got it.
Is this gonna fit? Like,
it'll fit.
To new heights, Jack stands in a low profile. Jack gonna give it flight. Raise it up high. Put it on the stands, touch the sky.
so this way.
Yeah, almost there. Cool. Now let's do the windshield towel thingy. Probably should have done that first.
Okay, there's those bolts.
Pick that. So whenever you don't have the right tools, just use some electrical tape and make it work. So we got two options to get that panel clip off.
That's pretty obvious.
That's no fun.
How are you even gonna fit that? You don't have a flathead?
So on top of the plastic cowl, there's two, was it T30s, some plastic clips, and then underneath there's 10 millimeter bolts.
Two, but one of them was missing. This just comes out.
And for some reason, Dan hates power tools. I don't know why.
I don't hate power tools. I just can't afford them.
I guess we're taking out some kind of windshield wiper bracket thingy.
And then strut bar will slide out.
So with these being a hard time getting off,
That one ain't
you see how hard that is to get off? That is the reason why I use a torque wrench to put on lug nuts.
They ain't coming off, man. It's like seized in there. Oh, there you go. Oh, that was fun.
So someone had one hell of a torque wrench or impact gun putting these lug nuts on. We just fought with it for like, I don't know, 10 minutes at least.
Yeah, that was incredible.
This was the secret to get it off. You want to buy one? I'll put one in the description. No, I won't. We're just watching a video on how to install coilovers.
Well, I mean, if they tell you the right sizes, is that that one works?
No.
No.
I got another option. We'll make it work.
No, there you go. I got an adjustable wrench.
Yeah.
All right, let me see.
What we're trying to do is get the sway bar end link off. That way we can get the strut out. If we can get the strut out, then we can get the new ones in, hopefully.
Like season in there.
Let's spray some penetrant oil and then
All right.
we'll try the impact. This episode is sponsored by PB Blaster because it works.
Every time I've used it, it hasn't worked.
No.
Believe it or not. It's never worked.
So what's going on now, we got the sway bar end link taken off with the impact gun. We have the brake line disconnected from the strut. But the sway bar end link, even though the nut's off, we got to get the end link off. And the way to do that what happens is when one side's tilted up, the sway bar pushes the end link up. So if you jack up the other side, usually you can get it straight and you'll be able to knock it out. So that's what he's doing now, is jacking up the other side of the car so we can pop this end link off.
Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Okay.
End link's off. Once it's up, pops right out. So if you got the issue trying to get the sway bar link off, just make sure both sides are jacked up and you'll be golden. So what he's doing now is taking the top nuts off or bolts off so we can get the strut drop down and out of here. That's the only thing holding it left. As you can see, we got disconnected from the
It's gonna
hook
drop
thing.
any second now, actually. Because remember, these aren't.
Yeah.
It's gonna come out.
So
All right, that's the last bolt. Let's see here.
the way that he got the bottom separated was with a crowbar. That's the factory strut with some kind of lowering spring, Godspeed or something. But so low. Good job.
Oh man, I can't get it up. Oh, see, it won't line up right.
Yeah, pull down and then push in. Don't try to adjust the strut. Try to adjust the bottom part to line up to the strut.
That's as far in as it goes. I mean, the axles, that's it right there. That's literally it.
It doesn't tilt.
Nope.
Let me jump in there. So the other side's done. Dan has 20 minutes starting now to get this done.
I gotta do it in 20 minutes. You kidding me?
20 minutes without my help.
You gotta give me all the tools. You gotta lay all the tools that I need out.
No, that's too
time.
easy. If I do that, I'm going to give you 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes?
Yeah, give me all the tools.
Okay. Okay, so you said 10 minutes since now that we have all the tools laid out.
That's just free.
It is 4:40. So 4:50.
We'll see. Oh, wait a minute.
So we are 2 minutes in. He is doing good.
Time.
You done?
No, I said how much time?
You got 8 minutes. I'll give him an extra 10. Don't tell him I said that.
See, that's as low as it'll go. I wonder if, I mean, I got this sucker raised up pretty high. Yeah. God. I mean, that's it. That's all she's got.
It's still working, trying to get the time in. Old coilovers out. New aftermarket coilovers in.
Oh, hang on a second.
It's in?
Yeah, it's in. We just need to pretty much get the wheels on, set it down, and then I guess we can get to work on the top.
So did we make the time?
What is it, about, I don't know, 9 minutes and 12 seconds?
Plus 30.
You tell me, yeah. Yes.
Guess what time it is? On top of the factory strut bar, he is putting this, I think it's a massive strut bar on it. Looks really nice.
Okay, I got it.
What sucks though with this setup is your adjustments for the coilovers, you can't get to them. Inverted style coilovers would probably be a lot better for this type of setup. And this is going to be a really nice upgrade with the additional strut bar, the BC coilovers. Not only for performance, but just the way the car looks. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out.
Oh, motherfucker, come on. Come on. Oh my God, it worked. Can you believe it?